Hi, welcome to Agently. Today we are going to understand regarding this BBMP demolition, this property location and all. We'll try fetching out and understanding why this demolition is taking place. Let's analyze.
ದೃಶ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಾನೀಗ ಮುನೇನಕೊಳಲಿನ ಪಾಪರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡ.
So this is Munekolal Papareddy layout. So let's go to Google Map and search Papareddy layout. Here we got. Now exactly to understand, we have to try to figure out using this. See here you can see water source and all. So exactly where are houses? So something here it is flowing, no? So approximately here it is. So let us keep an approximate measure. See, from here somewhere it is passing. So let's go to, now you can see where it is exactly. Marathalli, near Marathalli it is. So let's go to the shank. So in Bangalore East it comes. Normally Vartur it must be. Park. Okay. So from here, if we take this Vartur, okay, here you have HL. So from here, if you just move on, so here we can see. So from here, okay, maybe here it is, somewhere here. So let's keep this approximate location first. Now let us put this boundaries. Okay, we can see here two Rajakaluves are there. So it must be, yeah, somewhere here exactly. Okay, got. So here it is. Here we had exactly marked. So exactly here Rajakaluve is passing as per this. Yeah. So cross building. So this must be the building exactly. Okay. So let's check exactly what reason of demolition. So here you can see this is the building which they are demolishing now exactly. So it's under canal. So by this, even by the shank, you can't analyze exactly because it is satellite based photo. So just for approximate measures and understanding based on the papers and BBMP survey only, you can get the exact location. So here you can see this building which has been demolished and there is stream passing by. So let's check on village map. I have already taken. So here you can see this is village map. So exactly property is here. Here it is, this side. Here you can see in village map also they have shown Rajakaluve. So this is the way they are checking demolition drive which is going on.
ಸುಮಾರು 5.5 ಅಂತಸ್ತಿನ ಬೃಹತ್ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಇದು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ.
So for in detail, if you want any analysis, you can WhatsApp me exact location so that I can go through, understand and share you the details based on BBMP and revenue documents. Thank you.